Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me tell you about my son's favorite new chair from Mountain Summit Gear. This is a foldable camping chair, and it is the perfect size for our 7-year-old son. Of course, he loves the sleepy astronaut on it. It's perfect that he loves space, so this astronaut was literally the perfect design for him. This chair is a great size for him, and it gives him a little bit of room to grow. It has a durable polyester fabric and a nice sturdy steel frame. This chair has so many cool features of it too. It is a collapsible chair and has a clip that holds it together to make it easy to carry. I love that it doesn't have a bag, so I don't have to worry about losing that. It also has a carrying strap, so my son can just toss it over his shoulder. It's nice and lightweight and easy for him to carry. One of my personal favorite features of it is on the backside. It has a little ownership log, and I just thought that is so sweet because so many times our children outgrow something that's very special to them. This allows the chair to keep their history with them, and I just thought that was such an awesome touch to the chair. I also love that it has a safety lock. It helps prevent any fingers from getting pinched. We can press that to close it up, and it really keeps it nice and safe and secure. So if you're looking for a super cute, extremely durable, and very practical chair for your little one, I would definitely check out this one. Our family absolutely loves it, but that's just our point of view.